Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what everything around us is made of? The chair you sit in, the air you breathe, the sun that shines in the sky. Humans have been asking this same question for millennia. Our curiosity about the world is innate, and through it, we have arrived at some of the most fascinating ideas in history. One of them is that of the atom, the fundamental particle that makes up matter. But this idea is not new. In fact, it dates back to ancient Greece. The concept of the atom was first proposed by two Greek philosophers, Leucippus and his disciple, Democritus. We know very little about Leucippus. He is believed to have been born in Miletus or Abdera around 490 BC and was the first to formulate atomic theory, although most of his ideas have come down to us through the writings of Democritus. Democritus, on the other hand, was born in Abdera, Thrace, around 460 BC, and is one of the most important philosophers in history. He is often called the father of modern science for his revolutionary ideas. He traveled extensively and learned from various scholars, which influenced his thinking. Democritus and Leucippus proposed that if we divide matter into smaller and smaller parts, we will reach a point where it can no longer be divided. They called these indivisible particles atoms, which in Greek means indivisible. For them, everything in the universe was made up of atoms moving in a vacuum. These atoms were eternal, unchanging, and of different shapes and sizes, and when combined in different ways, they gave rise to all the things we see. As intuitive as it may seem to us today, the theory of Leucippus and Democritus was not accepted by most philosophers of the time. Why? Mainly because of the great influence of two other giant thinkers, Plato and above all Aristotle. Aristotle believed that matter was continuous and composed of four main elements: earth, air, fire, and water. Unlike the atomists, he did not conceive of the existence of a vacuum, since for him, nature abhorred a vacuum. Aristotle's theory was much simpler and better suited to direct observation of the world than that of atoms, which were invisible. As a result, the atomists' ideas were forgotten for almost 2,000 years, until modern science rediscovered them. In the next video, we'll explore how these ideas resurfaced and how the first atomic models were developed. See you next time.